Programmatically stop execution of Python script. Is it possible to stop execution of a Python script at any line with a command? Like
sys.exit will do exactly what you want.
You could raise system exit 0 instead of going to all the trouble to import sys.exit 0.
You want sys.exit from Python's docs. Exit the interpreter by raising system exit status. If the status is omitted or null, it defaults to 0, i.e. success. If the status is numeric, it will be used as the system exit status. If it is another kind of object, it will be printed and the system exit status will be 1, i.e. failure. So basically, you'll do something like this.
The exit and quit built-in functions do just what you want. No import of sys needed. Alternatively, you can raise system exit, but you need to be careful not to catch it anywhere, which shouldn't happen as long as you specify the type of exception in all your try blocks.